Dessert that fools your husband, no cooking needed and made in minutes. In a container, let's start by adding 3 packets of pineapple flavored gelatin. Now on top, let's add 500 ml of very hot water. Let's mix all of this together really well. Now let's add 2 containers of heavy cream here. Back to mixing. Add 200 ml of coconut milk. (100 grams of shredded coconut). And now just mix everything again. All done. Now we just need to transfer it to a serving dish of your choice. Just put it in the fridge until it starts to set. When it's firm, folks, just cut and enjoy. And look how amazing this dessert turns out. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.